Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's kitchen. Today I am making carrot rice with quinoa. This is a very good recipe for the season. To make quinoa carrot rice, I took 2 cups of quinoa. I am going to wash this thoroughly because usually quinoa contains a lot of dust. Here I washed the quinoa thoroughly. Now I am adding water. For 2 cups of quinoa, I am using 2 and 1/4 cup of water. I want my carrot quinoa little fluffy. So I used 2 and 1/4 cup of water. But if you want a little sticky quinoa, you add 3 cups of water or maybe little bit more depending on how you like it. I washed and peeled 3 carrots. Now I am grating with the large grater. Here I have about 2.5 cups of grated carrot. I am going to keep it aside. 1 large green chilli finely chopped. Roughly shredded half of the large onion. My quinoa has cooked by the time I finished cutting the vegetables. See how fluffy the quinoa is because I only used 2 and 1/4 cup of water for 2 cups of quinoa. I am transferring the quinoa into a plate and allowing it to cool. While the quinoa is cooling, let us start cooking the vegetables. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a thick bottom skillet. If you are a vegan, use oil instead of ghee. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them puff up. Add green chilli and onion. Stir them once. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Keep stirring until the ginger garlic loses its raw smell. Then add about 1 cup of frozen peas and grated carrot. Stir it well. Keep stirring until the carrot and peas are cooked well. It does not take too long. Now the carrots and peas are cooked well. Now I am adding finely chopped cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add more if you want, and 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. Give it a good mix. Now the quinoa has been cooled off. Now add the cooked quinoa. Mix it well. If you have some leftover quinoa or leftover rice also, you can quickly make this carrot rice. This carrot rice is good for potluck parties, on your special days, or for your guests, or just for your lunch box. Quinoa came out really fluffy. It is not sticky at all. It is not even sticking to the bottom of the pan. We have to add two more things, some sea salt and some ghee roasted cashews. Add the cashews along with ghee. Mix it well again. Delicious carrot rice is ready. Please try this recipe and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page.